You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into Shopify Inbox app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So here's the breakdown. The Shopify Inbox app gives Shopify merchants a simple way to chat with customers right from their phone. You can answer questions, manage live chat and messenger conversation, respond to chats abandoned via automated messages, and even use saved replies to cut down typing. It's especially handy if you run a shop solo or you want to stay responsive without opening your full Shopify dashboard. On the flip side, some users find the app basic compared to full help desk tools, limiting tagging, analytics, or ticketing history. An occasional notification delay can mean missed customer messages. So in my opinion, the Shopify Inbox is worth using if you want quick on-the-go customer messaging tightly tied to your store. And if you need advanced support features, you might still pair it with a more robust support app. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.